Good night, teacher. Good night, classmates. The motivational phrase. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. William James. The topic is choosing the perfect hotel for your next business trip. Name Evelyn Tipanguano, teacher Amparo Romero. Uh, Choosing the perfect hotel for your next business trip. One of the keys to successful business trip is securing appropriate accommodation. Your choose a hotel can make or break a trip. A location. In general, location is the number one factor when selecting a hotel for your business trip. Security. Even if the country you are traveling it is considerate, self-security is always an issue to keep in mind. Quality. When it comes to choosing accommodation, quality is a crucial factor. You want to avoid any stress and ensure your hotel is both comfortable and has all the necessary amenities. Coach, uh, when you when you are to business trip, you don't always want to spend an excessive amount of money on a hotel. You won't be spending much time in bibliography. The scientific article